This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups that are related to the site merutrack.co. There may be several variations of these pop-ups depending on your regional settings, and pop-ups by merutrack.co are malicious because they try to force you into downloading and installing some malicious files. Now, it is dangerous, therefore, to interact with all these pop-ups by merutrack.co. They may display some misleading information mentioning that your Windows works slowly, and then they may try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. For instance, it may be reported as some Windows cleaner. Then after you install that so-called Windows cleaner, Google Chrome luckily reports this file as dangerous. Therefore, this particular site, merutrack.co, is not safe, since it may infect your Google Chrome or even your entire computer with potentially unwanted software. The occurrence of such pop-ups on your browser may be explained by the presence of some potentially unwanted programs. So first thing you can do is to research the control panel of your computer and then uninstall any suspicious items that you don't remember installing directly. Consider checking the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. So if you find any suspicious extensions here, disable and delete them. Finally, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start carefully researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.